It's me, Mario!
p.m. Ghost Park capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from near Fort Tobacco River to 12 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach to 33 nautical miles southwest of Westmoreland State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, water spouts possible, and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Water spouts can create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Yokonika River, Greenwell State Park, Breton Bay, St. Clement Bay, Nanjumoi Creek, Fort Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Town Creek, Carp Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Smithers Point, due south. 3019 Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wacom Coal River, White Point Beach, Oaks Creek, Coles Point, Tall Timbers, and Brooms Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 3 p.m.
Maryland in the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tanker Sound in the inland waters surrounding Brunswick Island until 5:45 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from Chesapeake Beach to Wycomico River to 23 nautical miles southwest of Westmoreland State Park, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, water spouts possible, and small hail. Source, radar.
Oh, we're getting a double header.
By suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, Hooper Island Light, Rockland Point, St. Paul, Chesapeake Beach, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Couple Creek, Down Creek, Taylor's Island, Drum Point, Mongo River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, James Island, Calvert Cliff, Five Owls, The Target, and Richmond Point Buoy. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland in the Little Choptank River, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tanker Sound in the inland waters surrounding Brunswick Island until 5:45 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from Shadyside to 6 nautical miles north of Wycomico River to 17 nautical miles southwest of Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, water spouts possible, and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, Gilmer Island, Rockland Point, Chesapeake Beach, Nanticoke River Mouth, Couple Creek, Drum Point, Mongo River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, James Island, Calvert Cliff, Five Owls, The Target, Richmond Point Buoy, and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The affected areas were Chesapeake.
Wait a minute. Caleb Salisbury. Caleb.
Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Gloucester County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County. 5:15 p.m. 4:35 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Phuket, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
West Point around
Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, southwestern Middlesex County, central
Glens and Toledo around 5:10 p.m. Eastern.
Warner, Colonial Downs and Camaro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. VA.
Waves.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Alpha, Markham, Cache, Cohogue, Gresham, Mattapan, Warner, Colonial Downs,
Let me
and
see if
Panera.
WTPC is going off.
This shows my
Nope.
pride. Severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. VA.
But it was also a thought. Royally good at looking for things.
Comfort, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Rappahannock River until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Burlington to 6 nautical miles southwest of Urbana Inlet, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Irvington, Whitestone Bridge, Urbana Inlet, and Windmill Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. To 5 p.m. in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, southern Kansas City County in southeastern Virginia, city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia, until
Thunderstorm warning for southern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern Charles City County, central York County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, southern James City County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Claremont, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
severe thunderstorm warning for southern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern Charles City County, central York County in southeastern Virginia,
Williamsburg,
Left.
Belway, Lockheed, Barlow's Corner.
Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
By calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include ordinary, Belway, Lockheed, Barlow's Corner, Water Country, U South Bay, Camp Perry, Spring Grove, Centerville, Ewell, and Governors. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 75415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
And the effects of addiction. You know, it doesn't go lost on me. It wasn't lost on me working on this. That because as I said earlier, Truman always wrote what he knew and what he saw. And when you think about Breakfast at Tiffany's, you had all of these women raising their hands saying, oh, that was